Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to design this beam and SAP 2000. This is 2-degree indeterminate beam, as you can see. Okay, so let's quickly open SAP 2000 and new model and grid only. So we will adjust the grid according to our beam. So let's check out the picture. So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4 in the X direction, and in the Y and Z direction there are just one grid only. So now let's come to spacing. So as we can see, board is applied at 10, so we will keep it 10, we will change it to later on. So now this is the model. We'll edit the grid data. Now the load is applied at 10, but the last span is 40, so we will enter it 40 and we'll click OK and click OK. So now we will go to XZ. Nice so far. Now we'll define some materials here. So we will define the rebar, which is grade 60 in this case. You can choose any. You also define concrete of strength 3000, let's say. Okay, we will delete the rest of the material to avoid confusion. So I'm deleting these two materials which are not needed. So click OK. Now I'll define sections. So go to frame sections and add new frame section. Okay, so we'll go to concrete, rectangular, and name it. Okay, so we will also change the depth and width according to our choice. So I'm keeping it 12 by 18 inches. Now click concrete reinforcement and select beam. Okay, you can keep the spacing as 0.2 and click OK and OK. So now section is defined. Now I will define load pattern. So here the dead load is already included. I will click live and rename it as live load, and I will add new pattern. Okay, now I will go to define again and click on load combination. So add new load combo, and I am keeping the factors according to LRFD. For dead load is 1.2 and for live load is 1.6. Press on the add button. Okay, so I will also include the dead load. So this is my load combination. I will click OK and OK again. So now I'm ready to draw the beam. So I will select the quick draw options and I will click on between the A and B, the B and C, okay, and the C and D, the B and C, and the C and D. So these are the three spans. Now I will go to assign option and I will assign the supports. Okay, so at this C and D I have the roller support. So I click on this roller button and apply. Okay, on this A end I have the fixed support, so I will select this one and I will apply and click OK. So now my beam has been drawn. So at point B I have a pointed load, so I will go to join loads and joints. So this load at Z in the Z direction, so I will keep it -1 and apply. Okay, so the load is now raised. Now I'll select this span and go to assign option and frame loads, distributed load, and I will enter the value of the distributed load, which is 1.5. Okay, perfect square. So I will apply it, and this is a dead load, so this is okay and okay. So now my beam is ready to analyze it has loads and support conditions. For displaying the pointed load, I will go to display and show load pattern and apply. Okay, so now all the loads are visible. So now let's run the analysis. The model analysis, I do not run that because it will consume my computer memory. So now let's save this file and click yes. So now the analysis is being run, and this is the deflected shear. So I can go to that icon to view the shear force and bending moment diagrams for the load combo. Okay, so I click moment 33 and values. So apply and okay. So it give me the values of bending moment. Now I can quickly design this beam by clicking this icon, and it just give me the value for reinforcements required. So I will also select the combo if you want to design for the load combo and click OK. So this will then design for the load combination. You can also design for dead load or live load, and these are the values. So our beam has been successfully analyzed and then designed in a quick short time. So it's really awesome stuff. For videos about civil engineering and softwares, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.